If your service, product, idea or organization was a person, would it be a concierge, a cleaning guy, or a big sister? Hi there! In this video, I want to give you a sneak peek into 4 elements and a bonus one of the storytelling workshop that you can be a part of when you join the Swiss Service Design Day on site. If you come to Sierre on June 1st, 2024, in the morning you can choose between 2 workshops, and one of them is about storytelling for service design. In that workshop that I will personally host, you'll get hands-on experience with 4 canvases that help you bring storytelling insights into your service design work. The service problem canvas helps you define what problems in the user experience should be fixed now, later, or just with one-to-one human interaction. The service rhythm canvas helps you define the key moments of an experience in order to avoid frustration and enhance memorability. The service role canvas helps you define the type of relationship you'll offer to your users. By using this canvas, you'll have the answer to the question that I asked at the start of this video. For example, if your service is like a 5-star hotel concierge, the relationship is very different than if it's like a cleaning guy who works when everybody is out but still offers great value. The Service Senses canvas helps you create and map multi-sensorial experiences. As a bonus, you'll also discover the Meet John storytelling structure, which helps you explain your very complex service, product, or idea in a human and relatable way. At the end of this workshop, you'll have 5 new tools in your toolbox to create and pitch your next service ideas with sprinkles of storytelling. I'm very excited to see you in a few weeks in Sierre. But you might say, Daniele, I can't join. I'm not from Switzerland. I will not spend thousands of bucks just to come for a day in Switzerland. That's not a problem, because remember, it's a hybrid event. Therefore, we have great talks, Q&A sessions, hangout moments, and even an award ceremony planned for the afternoon for all of you who want to participate from all around the world. So, dear service design family member, you are invited. Will you join?